Hey y'all, so this is the Softtek plan that we had for this past year, and I'm going to incorporate it into the plan for next year. So basically, we had 3 days, four 3 days that we took time out of class: inquiry and question and research day, and get a works cited and two-page paper; data collection analysis day. We had that little mini project that I made and their own data input, and then preparing the presentation to mentors, and then actually presenting to the mentors, which was done after school, and then presenting to the school. And I think it did go pretty well from what I heard. But so the what I've basically done is those four things I've split it up into six things in maybe one class period: inquiry, question, and research start. So again, I think this mini project thing will kind of help keep them focused. So the assignment and inquiry question will be due, just like on the Google form, like we did this way. And then also three preliminary articles and read the abstract, taking a video of themselves using one of the technologies that I'll introduce that explains each abstract to prove that they read it. The next day, a research investigation. They're going to look into the research, and we're going to teach them how to, and I'm going to have work with Jillian to get a mini project about how to research properly and how to really read articles and know what they're talking about. And then the assignment will be true works cited and a video of what they learned reading, just kind of like an explanation, and then also the two-page paper rough draft, which is similar to what we already had them do. But again, I think we're going to use the learning management system to be able to do all this stuff. Next one, data collection. So entering data, the thing that I did, the mini project, but only half of it. Okay, and then the first assignment is to collect some home data and enter in Excel, and also take a video of themselves so that we can get some feedback about how they're taking data. Then another day, a month later, I'm going to do the second half of the data collection, finish data, that second part, the little bit more advanced topics, and then put data in their own research. So then it's a little bit more clear. We have be a little more successful in that. Presentation, again, half one day, half of what we basically presented to them already on the presentation day, and then basically then they're going to present to us, and then they're going to do a final draft, and then give the presentation to the teacher. Actually, talk to the Softtek mentors. We can actually do this on a day. They can just go to the individual classrooms, and then the kind of the quote unquote state competition is those top 5 that will then present to the whole school. Here's some other ideas we could talk about more later, and some ways to kind of break down the workload. But thank you all so much.